Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch live IPL cricket matches in UAE on Noon. Noon has secured the exclusive digital streaming rights for the Indian Premier League in the UAE, Saudi Arabia, and Egypt, allowing cricket fans like us in these regions to enjoy the live matches directly through the platform. So, here is how you can access your IPL matches on Noon. First of all, you will have to come on the official website of noon.com, and over here you will see this type of banner in front of you. Now here you can claim your Tata IPL subscription now with the help of Noon One, and for that you will have to subscribe now for it, and you can even place order on these affiliated apps. Now here, if you click on the subscribe now option, you will be landed on the next page. But before that, let's just scroll down a bit and check how you are going to get it for free. So first of all, you will have to subscribe to Noon One, and then you need to place an order on Noon Food Minutes now and Super Mall. Now, once your order is placed, you will immediately be eligible to stream IPL games for free. And if you subscribe to Noon One, you will instantly get access to stream IPL games. Now here, if you click on the subscribe now option, you will be landed on this page where you can get Noon absolutely for free for 30 days. So here you will have to click on try Noon for free, and here you can select whether you want to pay for annual and you want to go with monthly. Then you need to click on try Noon, and after that you will have to follow further on screen instructions, like you need to provide your email address and your password, and you will have to create your account. Now once you have successfully subscribed to Noon One, you can watch live IPL matches through the Noon application or the website. The platform typically offers features such as English commentary and unique pre and post match analysis for a comprehensive viewing experience. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.